Are you tired of endless crunches that hurt your neck but don't seem to melt belly fat? What if I told you there's a smarter way? 10 powerful fat-melting moves you can do at home. No crunches, no fancy equipment, just real results. Stay with me until the end because the last exercise is a game changer that most people completely overlook. Before moving, if you enjoy this workout, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate destination for home fitness made simple, effective, and fun. Today we're tackling one of the most stubborn challenges. Almost everyone faces belly fat. But here's the good news: you don't need to spend hours at the gym or torture yourself with traditional crunches that only target one small area. The secret to fat loss is full body movement, activating multiple muscle groups and keeping your metabolism fired up long after you've stopped moving. In this workout, I'll walk you through 10 dynamic fat melting exercises you can do in the comfort of your own home. Each move is carefully selected to engage your core, elevate your heart rate, and trigger your body's natural fat-burning engine. You won't just see a slimmer waistline, you'll feel stronger, lighter, and more energetic every single day. And don't worry if you're a beginner, these exercises are adaptable for all fitness levels. I'll guide you with step-by-step instructions, show you how to modify if needed, and motivate you to push just a little bit harder than yesterday. All you need is a small space, comfortable clothes, and your commitment to follow through. Here's the challenge: don't just watch this video, do the moves with me. And most importantly, stick around till the end because I've included a special finisher that can double your fat-burning potential in just 2 minutes. Plus, I'll share a bonus tip at the end that helps you burn more fat even while resting. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are more than just a warm-up, they're a calorie-torching, metabolism-boosting move that sets the tone for the entire workout. Start by standing tall with your feet together and arms resting by your sides. Now jump both feet out while raising your arms overhead in one smooth motion. Jump back to the starting position, keeping your core engaged and knees slightly bent to absorb impact. Perform this for 45 seconds followed by 15 seconds of rest. The key here is rhythm. Keep your movements light and bouncy, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Jumping jacks increase blood flow, wake up your major muscle groups, and elevate your heart rate within seconds. For beginners, step one leg out at a time instead of jumping. This low-impact version still gets your heart pumping. Want to intensify it? Add a squat every time you bring your feet together or hold light dumbbells for an extra burn. Why does this work for fat loss? It's a full body movement. Your arms, legs, shoulders, and core all work together, forcing your body to use more energy and burn more calories. Plus, it activates your lymphatic system, which helps flush toxins and reduce bloating. This is your launch pad. Start strong and set the pace for the rest of the workout. Exercise 2. Plank shoulder tap. This move is all about strength control and deep core engagement without a single crunch. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your hips square to the floor. Now lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder gently, then place it back down. Repeat with your left hand, tapping your right shoulder. Alternate sides for 45 seconds, moving slow and controlled. This is not a race. The secret is to minimize hip sway. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. You want it to stay steady. This movement strengthens your abs, shoulders, chest, and even your legs as they stabilize you. It also improves posture and builds endurance in your core muscles, which helps reduce belly fat over time. Do this on your knees to reduce the load. Add a push-up between each tap or increase speed slightly while maintaining control. Common mistake? Letting your hips drop or twist. Keep them steady and level. This exercise is a silent killer. It doesn't feel explosive, but the deep burn in your core means your muscles are working overtime even after you stop. Exercise 3. Standing oblique crunch. Forget lying on the floor. This standing version targets your obliques while keeping your heart rate up. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hands lightly behind your head. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow while bending your torso slightly to the side. Squeeze your obliques as you crunch, then return to starting position and repeat on the left side. Perform for 45 seconds with a steady pace, alternating sides. Focus on exhaling as you crunch and inhaling as you reset. Why is this so effective? It combines core activation with a standing cardio element, meaning you burn fat while toning your waistline. Unlike floor crunches, this move is gentle on your neck and lower back, making it safer and more functional. Limit the range of motion. Don't lift the knee too high. Add a small hop as you crunch for more intensity. Keep your core tight throughout. Don't just swing your knee up. Control the movement. With regular practice, you'll notice your love handles slimming down and your side abs becoming more defined, all while staying upright and active. Exercise 4. Side plank reach through. Lie on your right side with your elbow under your shoulder, legs extended and feet stacked. Lift your hips into a side plank. Extend your left arm toward the ceiling, then sweep it under your torso as if reaching behind you. Return to the starting position and repeat for 30 seconds per side. This twisting movement deeply engages your obliques, transverse abdominals, and shoulders. It also challenges balance and stability, which forces your core to work even harder. Drop your bottom knee to the floor for extra support. Hold a light dumbbell in your top hand as you twist. Don't let your hips sag, keep them lifted. Imagine a straight line from head to heels. This exercise not only strengthens your waistline but also improves rotational strength, a key element in functional fitness and fat-burning routines. The twist activates those hard-to-reach muscles that traditional crunches miss, helping you carve a leaner, tighter midsection. Breathe steadily, inhale as you reach up, exhale as you twist under. Exercise 5. Jump squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a deep squat, keeping your chest upright and weight on your heels. From here, explode upward into a jump, swinging your arms for momentum. Land softly, absorbing the impact with your knees, and go straight into the next squat. Perform for 30 to 40 seconds, rest for 20 seconds. Jump squats are a powerhouse move. They build lower body strength, skyrocket your heart rate, and create a huge calorie burn in a short amount of time. Your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves all fire up, while your core keeps you stable during each jump. Do bodyweight squats without the jump? Add a 180-degree turn with each jump or hold light dumbbells. Landing stiff-legged, always land softly to protect your joints. Jump squats boost your metabolism through the afterburn effect, meaning your body continues burning calories even after the workout ends. That's why they're one of the best at-home fat-melting moves. Exercise 6. Flutter Kicks. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and hands placed slightly under your glutes for support. Keep your lower back pressed firmly into the mat. This is crucial to protect your spine. Now lift both legs about 6 inches off the floor. Engage your core, pull your belly button in, and start alternating your legs up and down in a quick fluttering motion, just like you're swimming. Breathe steadily, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth as your core tightens. Keep your legs straight, toes pointed, and avoid arching your back. Perform for 45 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Why it works. Flutter Kicks primarily target the lower abdominal muscles, one of the toughest areas to tone and flatten. They also engage your hip flexors, thighs, and even your lower back for improved core stability. Because your legs stay lifted, your abs stay under constant tension, which burns more calories and accelerates belly fat loss. Keep your legs slightly higher or place your hands fully under your hips for more support. Add small ankle weights or extend the duration to 60 seconds. Focus on controlled small movements rather than large jerky kicks. The key is tension, not speed. Exercise 7. Dead bug. Lie on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle directly over your hips. This starting position already engages your core. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor, slowly keeping your back flat and your core tight. Bring them back up to the starting position, then repeat on the opposite side. Perform this alternating movement for 45 to 60 seconds, focusing on slow, controlled motion. The dead bug is a powerhouse move for core stability. It targets your transverse abdominis, lower abs, and obliques without putting strain on your neck or back, unlike traditional crunches. It also improves coordination between your upper and lower body, which enhances posture and reduces the risk of back pain. Keep your range of motion shorter, lowering your arm and leg halfway instead of fully. Straighten your legs fully as you extend or hold light dumbbells in your hands for added resistance. Imagine pressing your lower back into the floor the entire time. If your back arches, reset and engage your core more deeply. Exercise 8. Bear crawls with shoulder taps. Get ready for a powerhouse move that challenges your entire body. Bear crawls with shoulder taps. Start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees bent at 90 degrees, hovering just 1 inch off the ground. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine, keeping your back flat like a tabletop. Now begin crawling forward by moving your right hand and left foot at the same time, followed by your left hand and right foot. After a few controlled steps, pause, then lift your right hand to gently tap your left shoulder without letting your hips twist. Place it back down and repeat on the other side. Left hand taps right shoulder. Continue crawling forward and backward with alternating taps. Perform this for 45 seconds with controlled, steady movements. This is a dynamic, fat-melting, full-body move. The crawling motion strengthens your quads, glutes, and shoulders, while the shoulder taps ignite your abs, obliques, and lower back. It also improves coordination, balance, and core stability, perfect for melting stubborn belly fat without a single crunch. Take small smaller steps and hold the bear crawl position without tapping. Move faster while maintaining form or add a mini push-up between taps. Keep your hips low and stable, don't let them rock side to side. Think of it as moving like a stealthy predator, strong, controlled, and powerful. This move is sneaky tough, but that's why it works. It burns fat, builds strength, and keeps your heart rate high all at once. Exercise 9. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body calorie torch designed to boost your metabolism and melt fat fast. Begin standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and jump your feet back into a plank position. Keep your core tight, shoulders over wrists, and avoid sagging hips. From here, jump your feet forward toward your hands and explode upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Perform this for 30 to 45 seconds, rest for 15 and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. Burpees engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and especially your core. This high-intensity compound movement elevates your heart rate instantly, turning your body into a fat-burning furnace even after the workout ends. It's one of the most efficient exercises to burn stubborn belly fat and boost endurance. Skip the push-up and jump, just step back and step forward. Add a push-up at the bottom or a tuck jump at the top. Focus on landing softly to protect your knees and exhale as you jump to maximize power. Exercise 10. High knees. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and arms bent at your sides like you're ready to sprint. Begin jogging in place, driving your knees up toward your chest as high as possible while pumping your arms quickly. Land softly on the balls of your feet and keep your core tight, don't lean back or hunch forward. Perform for 45 to 60 seconds, rest for 15 and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. High knees are a powerful form of cardio that strengthens your legs, tones your abs, and burns calories at a rapid pace. Every knee drive engages your lower abs, hip flexors, and obliques, making it a great move to flatten your belly while improving coordination and speed. Perform it at a marching pace instead of running. Increase speed or wear a weighted vest for extra resistance. Stay light on your feet and imagine pulling your knees up with your core muscles, not just your legs. You've just completed 10 powerful fat-melting exercises without a single crunch. How do you feel? Energized? Sweaty? Stronger than before? That's your body waking up and starting to transform. Remember, fat loss is not about one big moment, it's about consistent, smart effort like you did today. These exercises, when done regularly, just 20 to 25 minutes a day, can create real lasting change. Combine them with proper hydration, enough sleep, and mindful eating, and you'll notice your belly flattening, your waist slimming, and your energy levels soaring. Here's your next step. Repeat this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Gradually increase your intensity as your body adapts. And if you want to accelerate your results, pair this routine with our other fat-burning videos linked in the description below. Before you go, I have one request. If this workout helped you, hit that like button. It tells us you want more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss the next fat-burning routine, and share your progress in the comments below. We love hearing your stories. It motivates us to keep creating free, effective workouts for you. And as promised, here's the bonus tip. After this workout, sip a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon. It helps digestion, reduces bloating, and supports fat metabolism. Small steps, big results. Thanks for staying till the end. You've already proven you're serious about your health. Now keep going. Your future fitter self is waiting.